I'm the only one that do the job right. Do it like nobody wanna come into the spotlight. I'm the only one that do the job right. Do it like nobody, do it like you never saw, mate. Just wait, niggas ballin' but believe I'm gon' strip. No fake, been a realist, no we never gon' flip. They hate, it's a feelings, how you feel about this kid? No way, I be grinding, they be hoping I slip. Play game, and I do it like you nobody did. Get fame, do it for the ones that wish I don't rise. No breaks, from the gas to this bitch out of line. Smoke dank, every day look at the look in my eyes. What rank, on a level that you won't recognize. No shame, been neglected but now that's just a lie. Make change, from the bottom so the top's where we strive. Get paid, be the money, only thing on my mind. Don't know about yours, but crazy on this other side. They taking too many lives, we living trying to survive. I been real, but that face what you never gon' find. And I ain't stopping till I'm shining, make these haters go blind. Cause I be underestimated, wonder why I'm really hated. Wonder why these other niggas really wishing I don't make it. No, I'm coming for the taking, we close records, I be breaking. No, the demon has awakened, ho ain't never gon' be faking. Cause I'm the only nigga do the job but it's supposed to. I'm the only nigga never fry like most do. Yeah, I be the nigga, got your hood like some coke do. Niggas wish they could, cause I run it like a coach do. Believe that, believe that. I speak facts, I speak facts. Puffin' on the doobie while I roll another sack. Get up in that pussy, she gon' feel the impact. She suckin' like an intake every time she lay me flat. Bitch believe she gon' be shaking every time we in a rap. From the age hitting, yeah, but it gon' be on the map. All these niggas talking nonsense, that shit don't come to distract. Smoking killer got me left, it feel like I ain't coming back. You ain't smoking, I'm with we on. Only way that you gon' feel this if you real, that's what we be on. Finna stand out like some neons. One more time, I'll be the realest. Give this nigga something to feed on. Straight so we the illest, like a job, we got it locked. Like places with some killers, know we finna make it pop. Straight gassing when I'm in this, like I'm dipping from the cop. Diminish all these niggas to the finish from the start. Cause I'm the only nigga do the job right. Do it like nobody when it come into the spotlight. I'm the only one to do the job right. Do it like nobody, do it like you never saw, mate.
Straight at the ghetto, 40 ounce in my lap. Hurricane all in my system, Katrina can't hold me back. Unpredictable like Mother Nature, that's a fact. Hit you when you least expect, there ain't no sucker better pass. Keep a small circle, the way I like my pussy. Stay on my grind, turtle speed, don't underestimate me. Finish first, finish last, either way I'm coming back. Poetic animal, hungry like this song is my last. Endangered species I am, a rare form how I stand. Light a J to make sure reality's still attached. Shout out to my folks on that 9 to 5 hustle. Working in the fields off that Mexican muscle. We on the rise, homie, now it's just a matter of time. Fuck how you feel, freedom of speech on mine. Who's really out here trying to get it? Make a move cause I'm with it. Slick to the 559, you feel me?
Won't stop my team, nigga. Won't stop my team, nigga. Won't stop my team, nigga. Been true that fake you never seen, nigga.